Good morning. Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. So we're out golfing again. My daughter brought me out golfing again, and we are in Maine. I don't know exactly the town in Maine that we are, but this is a golf course. It's called Summit Springs Golf Course, and we're in Maine, and I'm hoping it's affordable. That's what I'm hoping for. Because usually my daughter doesn't go to expensive places because she's kind of like me, a little chip off the old block. But let me find out where we are. I know we're somewhere in Maine. We're not going to use carts today. We're going to walk it. Oh, I just heard it. They just said Poland, Maine. So we're in Poland, Maine. But hopefully we'll have a good time. I'll find out how much this place costs and we'll take it from there. Well, this the inside of this place is pretty fancy. Check it out. Putting green. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We were here a few years ago. We did a golf tournament here. We had a blast.
Yeah.
No putter?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got one. He's got an extra putter for me. All right. We've got 7:30 tee time,
Okay.
and they'll be coming in shortly here.
Hubbard?
Hubbard, you got it. Yeah, this is a pretty cool place. Check that out, huh? How much is 9 holes cost?
Walk it or ride?
Walking.
$20.
$20. $20. Is there a different rate weekend versus during the week? So it's always $20 for 9 holes. Nice. $20. All right. Hole number 1. That clubhouse was nice. Apparently that was an improvement. I can't believe that we're only paying $20 for 9 holes. That is freaking unbelievable. Let's see if we could flip this sucker around. Ow! My finger's killing me already. Ay, chihuahua, look at it. Apparently we didn't check the weather. It's raining right now. But that's fine. We'll make the best of it. Nice. Hole number 5. Let's see what happens here. My finger, not this one, hurts.
Your wedding finger.
My wedding finger. What have you been doing with that finger?
Staying out of that one.
Nice. Look at my hat. Oh man, this course has really improved from last year. This year they opened the clubhouse up a little bit more, so there's more seating in there, and they got all this advertising on the benches, and they got the nice diagram of the holes. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot, actually. I like the price.
Nothing like rain golfing.
Hole number 7 still raining. You see all those raindrops? It's called rain golf up in Poland Springs, Maine. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, last hole. Let's see what we can do here. Look at these clubs, soaking wet, but we're having a lot of fun. That's for sure.
Get the shoes. Get the shoes.
Get the shoes. Look at the shoes.
They're a light tan.
Now they're a dark tan.
Butt shot.
You got a little butt. All right, get this thing. Let's bring this sucker home, huh?
Let's do it.
So we're coming back. We're just wrapping up right now, and look what I found here. They do disc golf as well. Over there in Clearwater we are. They do, that's where it started, was in Clearwater, Florida, and we got a course right near our house. But that's cool. Regular golf and disc golf. So we just wrapped this up, and it was pretty fun. Pretty fun. We're going to head into the clubhouse now. I forgot to mention that we actually got a few pars on this course compared to what we did last time in Pine Valley. So that's cool. It's real cool. Look at those beers. Holy smokes, what are they? Look at the size. Look at the size of these things.
Maine Brewing Company.
Holy
Or Maine Beer
smokes,
Company.
that's my hand. That thing, shoot. What is it?
Maine Beer Company.
Maine beer. How much are they?
Freeport.
How much are they?
Maine Beer
I don't
Company.
know. I'm assuming
Yes.
pretty penny.
I don't know. I'm curious what they cost.
One for the planet. You can put it right here. Take a picture of that, because that's what it is.
That's what it is?
Yeah, go look. The
Gotcha.
menus are- Oh, the whole cocktail menu with prices are
Oh,
over there.
oh, good. I was curious what it cost. Oh, so it's the, which one is it? Oh, it's the lunch? 10, 20, oh, a pitcher's $24.
Yeah, we're on.
It's $24. I mean, that's a good deal.
If you don't know what it is, I could see people being like $10 for a beer.
Yeah.
But
No,
if you
but
know
that's
what
good.
What it is, even at the brewery where you would think it would be cheaper, it's
It's
still
almost
expensive.
$10 for.
I had a sample like that, and I was.
Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. Thanks for coming along. We just finished a fantastic round of golf at Summit Springs in Poland, Maine. Erica, you've been there before. What's your thoughts on that golf course?
One of my favorite, actually probably is my favorite course to play in New England. It's awesome, 9-hole course. The people who work there are fantastic. Keegan is the pro there and is always helpful and takes care
Is
of
Keegan
everyone.
always there? Because when I was there, he was there. Or is he always there?
Yeah, it seems like he's there a lot. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Very
And
cool.
Tatiana's, she does a lot of the cooking there. The food's fantastic. The golf is very, as Dad would say, very affordable.
Right down our alley, that's for sure.
$20 for 9 holes. If you want to do the 9 again, they charge you $10 more, so it's $30. So huge savings. And I take my 2 kids golfing there often, and anybody under 12 is free. So for me to take the kids, they can hit a couple balls. If they're happy, great. If they're not, you don't have to stress
Under
about
12, they're free?
it. Free. Yep.
Wow, that is amazing. I love this golf course as well. I really do. What else do you do there?
We have cocktails there. I know they have leagues during the week, and then they also have during the summer on Wednesday nights, locals night, where there's a food special and usually a cocktail special, and everybody goes out, and it's really nice.
Didn't you, when you were there, you were talking to Keegan today, and you mentioned something about Michelle, your mom, your stepmom, and she's Italian. She's 100% Italian, and she's very picky about her Italian food. And you were mentioning to Keegan today that you guys were there.
Yeah, she said, there's no way I'm getting spaghetti and meatballs at a golf course. She had a bite of mine and said, oh, I'll take a plate of those too. And lick the plate clean, yes.
It was that good. It was that good. An Italian woman friggin' went and got the spaghetti and meatballs at the golf course. So
And it's a nice family place where they really trust you. So if it's gross out or there's no one there and you still want to go out and hit balls, they just do honor system. So, there's a cash box if you want to go out instead of, oh, we're closed, which is really nice.
So the course itself is straight and wide open. So say you have a hook or a slice, there's a good chance you're going to find your ball. But you might be yelling for quite a bit. But
and there are some really nice views too, because you're up at the top of a hill, the summit part of the name. So dress warmly though if you go in the morning, because where you are high, there's often high winds.
Yeah, absolutely. Biggest take for me was the affordability and the environment. The atmosphere was an awesome golf atmosphere inside the clubhouse. I don't have anything else to add. Do you?
I'll be back over and over and over again.
I'll definitely be back. If I'm up in Maine with you, I'm going for sure. Thank you for coming along on Hubbard's Journey. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you at Summit Springs.